Okay, hello everybody. This is Dr. Petrie, and I want to take you through the writing tasks we have done for the Professor and the Madman. So, our central questions guiding this reading are, should racism be considered a type of mental illness? And are people born crazy, or is insanity triggered by certain events? As you read through your books this year, these are the two questions you are using textual evidence to argue your answer. So, and as you read, I want you to improve your note-taking skills. So take a good look at the people in the books, the places in the books, the other important details, and most importantly, I want you to be noting the unfamiliar words. In my experience, most teenagers just gloss over them, skip it, think they know what it means, and they really don't understand what it is they're reading. So what I envision for the class is a large collaborative document where you're adding definitions to the unfamiliar words, and I'll just select them at random for your quiz. So our first reading task, note the important historical figures that you have met in the book. The next reading task was find 3 quotes that support or don't support the idea that racism is a form of mental illness. Next, create a Venn diagram comparing the lives of W.C. Minor and Sir James Murray. Tomb of the Unknown Word, you use these words to summarize what you've read in the book so far. Create an atlas that maps the important places in the book, illustrated by yourself, annotated with dates, page numbers, and important details. Battle of the Wilderness. We didn't do the information, we did an annotated bibliography. We skipped this one. Corroborate. Can you corroborate 10 historical details with the textbook? No. You could not do this. On average, most people did between 3 and 7. Write an obituary or a memoir. You did do this indeed, and the high was about 320 words. The low was 20 words. The average was 133 words in a 25-minute period. So congratulations to those of you that completed that. And then I know Miss Abdullah is going to take you through this rhetorical precis, I don't know how you say it. I don't know what it is. Oh, and we still have to link to these reconstruction cartoons and have you contextualize. So let's do that next.